how to stop iPhone voicemail notifications. So if each time you have voicemail, then you keep receiving notifications that you have voicemail on your phone, and I want to stop these voicemail notifications, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to stop iPhone voicemail notifications, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down until you get to sounds and haptics, and then click on that. Once you click on sounds and haptics, go straight to where you see new voicemail. So each time you have a new voicemail, droplet sound is going to play. So this is the notification you're going to receive each time you have a new voicemail on your phone. Now, to stop the new voicemail notification, just click on new voicemail, and here you have varieties of notifications, including ringtones and then alert tone. Then all you just need to do is come here and select none. Once you selected none, you also want to come to haptics and then disable haptics on your phone. So come down and select none. Once you selected none, then hit the back button. So that will tell you that the new voicemail notifications on your iPhone on haptics and alert tone are now set to none. Then hit the back button. Now, when next you have a voicemail on your phone notifications will not alert you. You can only check the voicemail by going to the phone app, and then thereafter click on voicemail. Then you're going to have the voicemail just like this. Then you can now go ahead and listen to the voicemail. Is that? So that is basically how to stop iPhone voicemail notifications. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.